Stand in the victory that Christ has won. For all of us, not for one. Be strong, soldier, be strong. In the end, you shall sing a victory song. You are the heir of the monarch of the universe. It's clearly revealed in David's verse. Your father is rich, soldier. Your father is God. He is the owner of silver and gold. At the end, we shall have a heavenly feast. But while on earth, fight not with your fists. We wrestle not against flesh and blood. Your backup will come like a flood. Fight, soldier, fight. Whatever opposition comes in sight. As a good soldier, endure hardship. In the midst of hardship, praise and worship. This is the will of God, soldier. This is what He wills. Your enemies will flee at the sound of chariot wheels. Yet for us did His pain yield. By Christ's wounds you were truly healed. Refuse to be sick, soldier, refuse. Your body is not for the devil's misuse. Stand in the victory that Christ has won. For all of us, not for one. Be strong, soldier, be strong. In the end, you shall sing a victory song.